Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Friday, May 24th of 2019. And today, boys and girls, remember, library books. Big thing, library books. Can't say it enough. Library books. Get them turned in. We should not have 80 library books still out. So it's very important that you make sure that you get those returned as soon as possible. May birthdays. Boys and girls, we have May birthday for today. It's Nellie Schwayback. So happy birthday, Nellie. Hope you have a great day. Lunch choices. This is different than what's on the actual lunch calendar. So this is ones that Mrs. Fuller sent out last week about those changes. We have taco, cheese pizza, and American sub. And today for our Paws, we have 4th grade students who will be speaking about Paws.
All right, it is time for our Paws, and we have 3 students here from 4th grade.
Be nice to your teacher and always listen to her at all times. Don't fudge. Be kind to your teachers.
Those are all great examples. Thank you.
Thank you, girls. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. If you could please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you very much, girls. And everyone have a great day today. It is Friday, so we do have a 3-day weekend coming up with Memorial Day, with Monday being off. And then, boys and girls, the grand finale of it all. We got 4 days left next week till the end of the school year. So lots of fun activities are going to be planned for all next week. So let's make sure that we're making some great choices today.